Hello, good evening. My name is Damilare. Tonight we are actually going to write a simple program which actually exchanges two numbers entered by user. Now, first thing I want you to understand is that two numbers, we are going to collect two numbers from the users, which is number, we will save the first number with variable A and second number with variable B. And then we are going to go ahead to introduce another variable which will store the former value of variable A. So let's go into the code. So for us to continue, before you can proceed, I'm writing my program in Android Visual Studio, and in Visual Studio I've created a project actually called swapping of numbers. So this is actually the default home page. So from here I'm going to start. So now I want to collect the first process in this program is actually to write instructions that is actually going to collect the numbers from the user. So let me start from there. So I'm going to write the console dot write line. So dot write line. So dot write line, and then I'll do this. Okay. Also dot write line, and okay. And first number. First number. And then okay. So I'll just go ahead, copy this to make things faster. So and then I'll put this here. Okay. Now before I proceed, so I'm going to save this first number that is written into a variable. So I'll call this variable integer a. No, integer first number a, and I'm going to assign it because we don't know what we are going to get. So I'll say integer. I'm just going to pass it. Integer just pass. We have console dot read line. So now what this line of code actually does is that it will actually read the value entered by the user in this line, in line 11. So I'll just go ahead, copy this, and then I'll copy this and paste it here, and I'll just edit this second number. So I'll call this second number B. Okay, and then now here comes the third variable we are actually going to introduce. Now this third variable, which will allow us to swap the numbers, we are going to call it integer swapper. Yeah, let's call it swapper. Sorry, funny name. The name is actually very funny. So swapper, we say swapper equals or no, don't let us call it swapper. Let me call it old variable a, old first number rather, old first number a, and then I'll assign it the value of the first number. First, so it's already there. Okay. So now I'm actually going to call the first number a, and I'm going to assign it the value of second number. B, and I will assign second number B. I'm going to assign it to old number A. So call this old first number A. So and then we want it printed out. So I'm going to I think I can use this. So it's going to print out. I want it to print out. Now I'll say the first number. Now can say, okay, the number has been has now been swapped. Yeah, the number has now been swapped, and then I'll say first number. So now what we want to print out here is now the first number, variable first number. So I'll do console.write now, write line, then the number has now been swapped. Then I'm going to introduce the variable here to be printed. So we are going to have first number, variable first number, first number A, yeah, and and um, and second number B, then we'll close it, and then okay, so there's a red line shown here. I didn't add the concatenation string. Yeah. So this is actually good. Save it, and then I'm going to run the code and see if it actually works properly. And, okay, this is it here. So now this is the console window, so it's actually asking me to enter the first number. So the first number, let's pick a random number, let's say 78. Yep. And then the second number, let's say 96. So now the new line says the number has now been swapped. So we have 96 coming first and 78. Okay, so thanks for today. So please watch out for the next video on how to print prime numbers, how to actually understand how to write the prime number. Yeah. So thank you. Goodbye. Yeah.